Hi all, so today in this video we are going to see one interesting question. Question is like so the question is like this, is that you have to implement a kind of feedback system in which like 5 stars will be given. If you click on the 3 stars, then their color will change, and rest 2 will be like, if you click on 4, then colors of 4 star will change like this. Okay, and somewhere like this, something like this, a star is there. So if you click on that star, the color of that star will change. Okay, so let's try to implement that. So first of all, what we will do here is, I have taken just a rich text display field. In that, a rich text icon is there. Currently, like, I have only one icon, but I need at least 5 icons so that to make it work. Okay, so what I will do here is, I will go for a loop, right? For each loop is there, so I will go for each loop, and in the items I will enumerate. So enumerate function, it is used to whatever the number you will tell it, it will enumerate for that number of time. And in the expression, what I will do here is, I will take this, cut it here, and I will paste the rich text icon here. So you can see now I have got the 5 stars that I wanted. Okay, so if I want like 5 stars, if I wanted, now I want to make them the link as well, so that they are linkable. So I will make it dynamic link. So just if you see here, if you click on that dynamic link, it is now linkable. But let's make the link style as something as standalone. So link style is something as a standalone, so that this underline ones doesn't appear at all. Okay, so now it is looking much better. Okay, and now our stars are there. Now what we want is that once we click on that star value, okay, once we click on that star value, the same number of stars should get you can say like filled. So for that, like, for if you want some star as filled, then you have to select the star, not O, but just the star one. So like this, it should get filled. So let's see what should be our approach for that, right? So first of all, what we will do here is, in our dynamic link, I guess whatever the number we click, first of all we need to get that number. Okay, then only based on that only we can decide like how many stars do we have to fill or not. Okay, so let's say the save into here, it will go and save into some variable. So currently we haven't configured any local variables, so let's consider a local variable as well. Okay, and local bang, let's say something as value. Okay, so it will go and save that value. So what is the target? So target is our local bang value, and what is the value that it will say? So you can say like fv bang, so index, it will just go and save it. So now if I click on any star, then it should save that index. So actually, like, it will tell us like what is the index I am currently at, or at which star I have clicked. So 5 stars are there, so based on that only it will show us the result. So let's me click on the 4th one. So you will see here the value is now 4. If I click on the 5th one, the value is 5. If I click on 2nd one, the value is 2nd. Now I just want that when I click on this one, so I should only 2 stars should get filled. It means that this star icon I have written currently as you can say something as hard coded, it needs to be dynamic. Okay, so this needs to be dynamic, then only I will be able to make this star work. So how to make it dynamic? It means that I have to give it under some condition, so that it should only appear when I click on particular icons like this. So let's see about that, how we can do it. So for icon, what we will do here is, we will put it under if condition. If, now if, so how to write this condition? First of all, like, if everything is null, right? If is null, local bang value, then I need that it should display the star O, because initially everything will be blank only. Okay, otherwise null. So currently just let me pass it here so that I will bypass it here. So if it is null, then just display local bank value is currently, see here it is null, so initially all the star will display. But if it is not null, right, so here I need to write some condition like so what should be my condition? So if I want like suppose I clicked on third, so 3 stars should get filled, otherwise only 3 stars should get filled. It means that if my index is, right, suppose this is my index, if my index is less than my local bank value, but every time the index and value will be same only, because I am actually saving the index into value. So let me decrease the index by 1. If fb by index is less than the value, then just show the star 1, otherwise just show the star o1. Okay, so like this let's do it. So now let me click on the third one, and you can see like 3 stars have got filled. If I click on the fourth one, 4 have got filled. If I click on the fifth one, then fifth I have, all of them has got filled. So like this it is working. Okay, so it is working like if fb bank index minus 1, okay, whatever is the index, it is less than local bank value, then it will display for that. And since fb bank index is saved into value, both values are same, so I have decreased it by okay, manually, so that every time it will be less, and that many star will get filled automatically. Okay, so that was all in this video. Let me know if you have any other approaches for this as well. Okay, so try it once. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you.